Griffith has introduced multi-factor authentication to make sure your information stays secure. This guide shows how to install and set up MFA on your Mac computer.
Log in to MyGriffith at my.griffith.edu.au using your Griffith credentials. Select Start at the Welcome to Multi-Factor Authentication window. Select Desktop from Other Authentication Methods.
From the Desktop Setup prompt, select PingID Download for macOS. Open the pingid.pkg download file to launch the package. Select Continue. Read the software license agreement and select Continue. Agree to the terms of the software license agreement by selecting Agree. Select a destination for installation. Select Install. You may be prompted to sign in to approve the installation. Enter your details, then select Install Software. Once the installation has completed successfully, select Close. Open PingID. Copy the pairing key from the Desktop Setup browser window. Paste the pairing key into the PingID window. Select Pair. You've now set up multi-factor authentication on your Mac computer.